Let's face it, your presentation should be like a good colleague. It should be fun to work with, practical, informative, reliable, and easy on the eye. So many people find themselves in job situations where it's necessary to prepare and deliver presentations, even though it's a statistical fun fact that more people would rather die an agonizing death than speak publicly in front of a crowd. Sometimes it even looks like that colleague is dying in front of you, but that's beside the point. Corporate presentations are still misused and mistreated. Some people just shove everything up in there like, oh, don't worry people, there's something in there for everyone. But it's not a box of mixed candy, and it sure is not targeted communication. This is exactly the reason why people don't like PowerPoint. This is exactly the reason why some people rally up and start some movements against PowerPoint or declare death by PowerPoint. On the Hi&Lo YouTube channel, you find presentation hacks, tutorials, examples, presentation insights from our daily business. If you want to achieve the next level with your presentations and work with fun and motivation with your PowerPoints, click on the contact links below. Call, text, send me an email, send me a pigeon, or connect with me on LinkedIn. Call, text, send me an email, connect with me on LinkedIn.